friends, running kimono, and believe it or not, my Walgreens haul was free. Godiva, something to talk about there over at Walgreens. And then today over at the Dollar General, I guess it was yesterday, a lot of this Armor All stuff started going 90, so I'm going to show you the UPC and jog you through that. And then we have some freebies over at Rite Aid we'll talk about. The weather report for you guys, kind of a rainy one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so we're going to just kind of change things up a little bit and talk about Dollar General right off the bat. Because sometimes with Dollar General, you either catch that wave or you cannot find these products. I hope you can read between the lines there. So these disinfectant wipes, I believe on Tuesday they hit 90. So the wipes at 90% off are 36 cents. And if you look here, it says they're $4.50. And then the pumps, $4. The store let me take the display because I got so many. This was 30 cents. This was 36. So, of course this is gonna penny a little bit down the line, but this is stuff that we really use and I like to gift. So I just thought it was a really smart buy. I think for all of this, it was like $9, so I'm okay with that. I'll pay that all day, every day, and 10 times on Sunday, especially for Armor All product. So definitely be on the lookout for this. You're either gonna find it on an end cap, which is at the end of a aisle, or you'll find it in the regular automotive aisle. Look really high as well. I found a lot of these on top shelves. So if you're tall, this will definitely be a cakewalk for you. And it is only the disinfectant wipes. The other ones like, you know, the cleaning ones or the ones to protect the leather or whatever, not included. It has to be these specific ones. So now we're gonna go to Walgreens, and I had a booster to spend 35, get back 8, plus a digital spend 20, get back 5. You know, this is my basket of $35 in merchandise. I'm just gonna go through the numbers really quick. These were $9 for the 3, and when you buy 3, you get back a $5 store coupon, and we also had a 5 off of 3 digital. I grabbed 4 of the P&G products, 2 Tides, and then a Charmin and a Bounty. They are $21, $5.25 for each, and I had dollar digitals for both the Charmin and the Bounty. And then when you buy 4 of them, you get back a $6 register reward. That did not print for me. And then I grabbed 2 of these to get the basket right to 35. They are $2.99 a pop, and then when you buy 2 of them, you get back a $4 in Walgreens cash, and we had dollar digitals off of each of them. So looking at all of this merchandise, guys, I know it's kind of all over the place, but all of this great merchandise is $35.98. I got the cashier to scan the 8 back when you spend 35, plus I had the booster loaded, and then I had the $9 of digitals that I just talked about, the 5 off of 3, the $1 for those, and then the $2 for the 2 paper products. So after all of that came off, I paid $26.98 with my debit card because I'm using spend boosters. And then I got back $17 in Walgreens cash, 8 for the first booster, 5 for the second booster, and then 4 for Colgate. And then I got back 1 register reward, which was this one, 5 back when you buy the 3. Now the $6 one, the manager just comped me $6 of Walgreens cash. I do not know why, but for whatever reason, that P&G one did not print for me twice this week, so go and figure that one out. It just makes this haul completely free, and I am okay with that. Okay, so Godiva, I just wanted to do it one more time because I had 3 coupons that were expiring, so it was burning quite the hole in my pocket. I'm gonna let you know my register reward did not print, and I'm hearing from a lot of other people that their register rewards are also not printing, so everybody, some problems. What you do there is get in touch with Catalina. You can Google that. It's just called the Catalina Company. I have a video, even if you search on my page, how to get in touch with Catalina. Very easy process, so I did it yesterday for both of my transactions. So 3 of these is $10.50. This is the IBC. $3 will come off with the scan of this, or you can load it digitally. And then I had $1.25 coupons. Sorry, I don't have one to show you, that I used for these. I used 3 of them. $3.75. I used Walgreens cash, and then hopefully they'll mail me my $4 register reward, and it basically makes it for free. But for whatever reason, it stopped printing on today, I think, and a lot of people are saying, what do I do? Get in touch with the Catalina Company and they will make it right. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and if you can make this deal happen, go for it. This is what I have, which is a $4 off of a 20. This has been printing for me for the last couple of weeks. So I had one for both my card and my husband's card. So this is what I did on one of the transactions, and shout out to Ravi, he was talking about this earlier. With my gold discount, these are $3.99 a pop, and when you buy 2 of these, you get back $6 plus an extra $3. So buying 4 of them will give me back $18. Wow. So for these batteries, 4 sets of them was $15.96, and then this larger Dawn was $4.23. So adding the batteries and the Dawn, that's a subtotal of $20.19. Got the cashier to scan this. The new total is $16.19. I had bonus cash on my card, so I just rolled it, and then I got back 18, and it was like 6 for the monthly, and then or 6 for the weekly, and then another 3 for the monthly. So that made this a money maker. Okay, so over on my husband's store card, I kind of did the same deal, but a little bit different. I got 6 of these Rite Aid bags. I always like to gift fresh bags whenever I'm giving out stockpile goods. So 6 of them at 80 cents a piece is $4.80, and I have the gold discount. That's how I'm getting that math. And then 4 of those batteries is $15.96 for a subtotal of $20.76. I got the cashier to scan that weird Catalina 4 off when you spend $20. I rolled the balance with my bonus cash on that card, and then I got back $18. So it made it a very like tiny money maker, but a really smart deal. I am absolutely in love with these little batteries. How wonderful is that? So that is it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!